Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to welcome you all on this day where we will be celebrating success of Tejas project. The galaxy of intellective, honorable directors, principal of Diet, invited guests, Diet family members, and our beloved tag coordinators. It's an honor itself to honor this charming and beautiful audience today here. I am Mr. Sanjay Patil with co-host Mr. Rohan Patil. Once again, welcome you all on behalf of the whole team. The great word someone says that if you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your own path. So I would like to request all dignitaries to step forward for lighting the lamp. Thank you so much, everybody, for creating auspicious atmosphere by this. We are lucky that you all are with us. Now, I would like to request my colleague, Mr. Rohan Patil, to step forward and welcome all dignitaries who are present here. Over to Rohan Patil, sir.
Good morning and namaste to everybody. It's an amiable welcome, a gracious welcome, a small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this morning filled with the desires, hopes, and dreams we all share here. Dear friends, it's a journey of Raigad towards excellence. And this program, I would like to welcome Honorable Dr. Subhash Kamble sir, the director from Aurangabad Regional Academic Authority, Aurangabad. Along with him, Honorable Dr. Ujjwal Karande sir, senior lecturer and head of the Department of English Department to belongs to Aurangabad, as well as Honorable Chandrakala Thoke ma'am. She is the principal for Diet Panvel Raigad. Honorable Sheetal Poon ma'am, education officer, Jilla Parishad Raigad, Alibag, along with Honorable Subhash Mahajan sir, senior lecturer, Diet Panvel. Honorable Dr. Sanjay Wagh, senior lecturer, Diet Panvel. Honorable Sagar Tube sir, senior lecturer, Diet Panvel, along with our Honorable Rajendra Latte sir, head of the Department of English from Raigad district, as well as lecturer. Then Honorable Mamta Pawar ma'am, lecturer, Raigad. Sunita Rathod ma'am, lecturer, Diet Raigad. Honorable Santosh Daun sir, lecturer, Diet Raigad, as well as BO from Karjat block. Honorable Ramdas Atone sir, lecturer, Diet Panvel. Honorable Raju Korte sir, State Academic Resource Person from Regional Academic Authority, Aurangabad. Along with this, all BOs, cluster heads, my colleagues, subject assistants, and English resource person, those are working for Tejas project from last 3 years, and all tag coordinators, those are the pioneers of this project, and IID consultants, as well as all tag members. So I would like to welcome these all authorities, dignitaries. Also, my colleague is there, Sanjay Patil sir, is working for Tejas from last 3 years. And my colleague, Mr. Ganesh Kutar, very auspicious work from IT department from last 3 years. So I would like to love to welcome this all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rohan sir, for warm welcome of all dignitaries. Now it's time to introduce preamble of this program. So I would like to request Honorable Latte Sir, HOD of English Department, Diet Panvel, to present preamble. Over to Latte
Thank you,
Sir.
Sanjay.
Yes.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Yes. Sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. I am Rajendra Latte, HOD of English Department. I am pleased to welcome all of you today in this function to release ebook entitled Till to the Horizon. I thank you for consenting to our request and making time to attend this ceremony. We gathered here to publish ebook, and I am honored to have the opportunity to speak today. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the dignitaries to support for this program. An electronic book, also known as an e-book, is a book of publication made available in digital form. E-book, digital file containing a body of text and images suitable for distributing electronically. E-books is to simplify and enhance the overall learning experience. Digital books make learning process more interactive and engaging. Ebook costs much less than printed books because there is no paper printing, fancy covers, packaging costs, shipping, and others. Bringing technology into classroom has a positive impact on the quality of education delivered. Students and teachers unanimously agree upon the benefits of using ebooks in education. I will end my introduction by thanking all of you here today that took time out of your busy routine. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for presenting preamble and creating conducive atmosphere, which made us eager and excited to see ebook of Tejas. Respected dignitaries and dear friends, sit by the heart. Now it is time to publish our ebook of Tejas project. So I heartily request Honorable Karavande sir that please, with your auspicious hand, please publish this ebook.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Karavande sir.
Thank you,
your
sir.
auspicious
Sir, thank
hand.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
With your auspicious hand, our ebook published. Now I request to my dear taxis that please share your experiences. First, I would like to request Mr. Suresh Chandra Mistry sir.
Good morning,
Mistry, sir.
one and all.
Yeah.
Good morning, one and all.
Good morning, sir.
I heartily welcome on behalf of me all dignitaries, all respected diet dignitaries, and all my taxi friends. First of all, I would like to congratulate all diet team Raigad. Those has taken good initiative for creating a collection of these Tejas success stories. As we all know, this Tejas project is running from last 2 years in our Raigad district with cooperation of resource persons, all diet members, and all my taxi friends, and mostly important with all tag teachers. So it is really a great honor to be a part of this Tejas project. I am working as a tag coordinator from last 2 years, and I am having a great experience in working in it. I really congratulate all Diet for having a good initiative for collecting these success stories and publishing in the form of ebook. At last, I am thankful to all British Councils, Rao Aurangabad, and Diet Panvel, giving opportunity to me to work as a taxi, as well as I am thankful on behalf of all my tag teachers from my Mahad block that this Tejas platform has really providing a good opportunity for all teachers to improve their continuous professional development. It's a really proud moment that we are here on the occasion of publishing ebook. Once again, I am thankful to one and all for giving me such a nice opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. From your experiences and opinions, we came to know that the Tejas project is always helping to continuous support to teachers as well as for our CPD. Now, I would like to request Sanchita Satwidkar ma'am that please present your views.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am Sanchita from Alibag Taluka. Honorable Rao Aurangabad team and our respected Diet team, today is very special moment for all taxis, and I feel very proud because I am one of the member of this Tejas project. Especially, I'm very junior in my block, but now everyone knows me because of only this Tejas project. I got very new and respectful identity because of only this. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes. Still, I remember that day when I got an order for this taxi. I was very confused at that time as I was very unaware. How can I handle it? But when we goes to the Aurangabad, that time our all RPs and Rao Aurangabad team are very helpful in nature. They're very supported. They created very friendly and supportive atmosphere to us. And that time my all doubts were cleared. And actually when tag meetings get started, that time my tag teachers are also very excited to do something new. They told me, ma'am, yeah, we are very waited for this type of project. And now we got this type of project. So it is very, very useful. And it is not only useful for my tag teachers, students, it is also very useful to me because before Tejas project, I am very good in writing English. I can just read very English. But when someone said me, ma'am, please come here and tell me your expressions or tell me some feelings. That time I said, no, sir, it's not my part to express in English. But only because of this Tejas project, I become confident. And now I can express myself in English in very easily. And last but not the least, I am very thankful to our ESAs, Sanjay Patil sir and Rohan Patil sir. They are always motivate us to do something new. If there are some problem, they said me, ma'am, don't take any tension. You can do it. You just go for it. If there is problem, then we are with you. And this motivation is very important for success in our life. So thanks. So thankful to all Diet members, Rao Aurangabad team. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And thanks for, you are already you shared that credit goes to all. That is appreciable things. And your hard work, we have seen that all taxis are doing hard work. So we reach on this stage. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now I would like to request taxis from Mahad block, Sonali Kopre, ma'am. Sonali, ma'am. Hello. Sonali, ma'am, can you hear me?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please.
Honorable Dias, Honorable Dr. Kamble sir, Director Aurangabad, and all our dignitaries. Honorable Tuke ma'am, Principal Diet, Panvel, and all Diet dignitaries. Honorable Poon ma'am, EO Primary, Raigad. Honorable dignitaries of Education Department, ZP, Raigad. Honorable Yadav ma'am, BO Mahad, and all honorable BOs Honorable Raju Kode sir, Saab Ra, Honorable Sanjay Patil sir, and Rohan Patil sir, Isa Diet Panvel, Honorable Virkar ma'am, Cluster Head, and Honorable Puri ma'am, BRP, and all Honorable BRPs, and all my dear colleagues. Myself, Sonali Sandeep Kopde from Block Mahad. It's a proud moment for me to be a part of golden moment, that is Tejas e-book publication ceremony. It's not a flower, but it's a blossom of success. This book will be an inspiration for all teachers for their CPDs. This Tejas project gives us an opportunity to develop ourselves. Through the tag meetings and MOOC meetings, it provides us a platform to improve teachers' professional understanding, practices, and impact their learners' success. Teachers have become confident about their English. Now our classrooms are buzzing with English, and the credit goes to British Council and Ra Aurangabad. Thank you, British Council, Ra Aurangabad, Tata Trust, and Diet Panvel for trusting me and giving me this opportunity for expanding my horizons through fruitful trainings. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sonali ma'am, for sharing your experiences as well as views regarding Tejas projects. Now, I would like to request Block Educative BO of Mahad Block, Yadav ma'am, please share your views. Yadav ma'am. Hello, Yadav ma'am. Okay, I think that there is technical problem, so we skip this. Now, I would like to request Karwande sir to step forward and give us your precious words and message.
A very good morning, dear all.
Thank you, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Honorable Principal Diet Panvel, Srimati Thoke ma'am, Honorable Director, Regional Academic Authority Aurangabad, Dr. Subhash Kamble sir, all my dear colleagues from Diet Panvel, Dr. Subhashji Mahajan sir, Dr. Wag sir, the head of the Department of English Language, Sri Rajendraji Lathe sir, Honorable Education Officer, Punda madam, all the dear field officers who have immensely supported this Tejas project, and I would consider the backbone of this project all the dear TAC coordinators and all the TAC teachers who achieved their CPD through this project. It's a wonderful moment, and I feel very happy and proud to be present on the occasion of the publication of the ebook of Tejas success stories. Well, dear friends, in the past, we experienced quite a different model of CPD, and that was in the form of training, which would happen for say 3 days, 5 days. And again, the teacher used to go back to their school and they tried to apply their learning in the classroom. But when our teacher friends, they confronted with some difficulties while teaching. So there was nobody to pay attention to their difficulties. There was nobody to solve their problems. But this is a wonderful model of the continuous professional development. In real sense, it is continuous professional development, as all the teachers meet regularly every month. They learn new things in the TAC workshop. They apply their learnings in the classroom. And it's not always necessary that you should get success when you are trying new things out in your classroom. Sometimes you face some problems which you don't have any answer to. And in that case, it's a good practice to again to meet with your colleagues and again discuss with them your success stories as well as your concerns too. this is a wonderful platform, I think, for the teachers to discuss their success as well as their concerns. It's not just the success, but is expression and getting solution to the concerns too. So this is the platform of their teachers' own platform for their own CPD journey as well as to share their own success stories. So I would consider that this is the platform which is of their own. Their success is also of their own. I cannot assign their success to anybody else, but it is the success of the teachers and the coordinators. And I would say that though the project is coming to an end by the end of March 2021, I think as the professional development never ends because there is no end to the development. Development always continues. And I hope that in the future too, all my dear esteemed TAC coordinators would continue their social service in the form of the CPD of their colleagues. And in the future too, they would help the teachers to achieve their CPD. So in the near future also, very soon we are going to include all the teachers who were not the part of the Tejas project because of some restrictions. But now, after the launch of the Tejas digital app, all the teachers of English from the whole state would now be able to reap the benefits of the Tejas project. And I was overwhelmed to listen to all the experiences of the TAC teachers and TAC coordinators. So it's a wonderful journey, I would consider, and I would like to congratulate the whole team of Diet Panvel, as well as all the field officers from Raigad district. So it's because of the all hard work you all have put in as a team that we can see a sea change in the district today. We can see the classrooms chirping in English, isn't it? So in the past, we used to say that the class is very chaotic and it's not a good thing. We would prefer a very silent class in the past, but now the classes they have become chaotic, but this chaos is English. This is a very nice sign, and I would congratulate all the teachers and TAC coordinators for this. I again wish you all the best for your future CPD journey. We would be there as long as we are here in Aurangabad. We would be there to see you through your journey and achieve more and more success in near future. Thank you very much for giving me the honor to be present here for the publication of the ebook and inviting me here and honoring me. Actually, I would like to again mention that Honorable Thoke ma'am was my principal when I used to serve in Sangamner, and I learned many things from her also. So you are very lucky people that you have got her as your principal. And I wish you would learn a lot of things from her and keep the success going on and on, growing on in the near future. So I wish you all again very best. And in near future also, you would continue supporting RA Aurangabad for all the interventions. Because see, you have gained success in the secondary schools too, through the TASTE project. And I would request you personally, Sanjay Patil sir, if you can bring out the publication of the success stories in TASTE project too, as well as in spoken English. Already a lot of MOOC coordinators are working to help the teachers to speak confidently and to the learners also to speak confidently. And of course, the English language kit is also bringing about a key change in the classroom because the teachers need not engage themselves in teaching. You just provide the learning materials, self-learning materials to the learners, and they are engaged, and in a joyful way, they start learning. So this is the experience that I have got from all corners of Maharashtra. So this is a nice sign that all you people are taking ahead all the interventions we started for English language. And definitely I can say that in near future also with your kind support, Maharashtra will see a different scenario in the teaching learning of English language. So for that journey, I wish you all the best. I will be there, and I would like to success this I would like to share the success of the future projects too. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring
you,
address
sir.
and invaluable
Thank you.
message. And I hope that it will give us energy for further work. And actually, sir, we are on the way that we are going to publish Chase success stories also. One of the moderator of project, Sagar Randave sir, also present in this our meeting. So Rohan Patel sir and I, we are doing that work also. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to request my colleague Sonal Gaon ma'am, subject assistant, that please for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Mike. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Now it's a time of gratitude those who have been supporting us to achieve the success. First of all, I'm feeling very happy to see all the dignitaries present for this auspicious ceremony. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Honorable Karvande sir, Senior Lecturer, Ra Aurangabad, and HOD of English Department 2 for his valuable time and great guidance. I'm very grateful to our great supporter, respected Thoke Madam, Principal Dad Panvel, Raigad, for her guidance and support. Along with this, I'll also wish to express my gratitude to Honorable Subhash Mahajan sir, respected Wag sir, Honorable Tupe sir for providing encouragement for us. We also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to respected Mamta Paul ma'am, respected Latte sir, respected Ratun madam, respected Don sir, and respected Tone sir, as well as Raju Kode sir for guide us in every manner. I'm also very grateful to all BEOs, especially BEOs from Mahat Block. She is present here in our meeting, and all the CPS, as well as my all subject assistant friends and IED resource persons, as well as Education Department, Alibag Raigad, and my all subject resource person too. A special thanks to Mr. Ganesh Kutal sir, subject assistant, ICT department, for a great technical support. A very big thanks to all TAG coordinators, because as Karvande sir says, you are backbone of this project. So this is a big thank to all the TAG coordinators, because without them, this would not be possible. So thank you so much. And last, thanks to all the people who were directly or indirectly helped to make this function successful. Thank you so much, everyone. And with the permission of our guest, Mr. Karvande sir, as well as our principal ma'am, I just want permission to conclude this program. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. So, Rakesh sir and Karan sir, we are going to highlight. Thank you so much, Sonagaon ma'am. So with the permission of Karvande sir and Latte sir, we are going to end of this meeting. So should I do? Latte sir?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thanks to all and have a good day.
Thanks, a lovely comment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day all.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you all.